Yo, what is going on, everybody? I'm gonna do what 99% of your favorite dropshipping gurus are not willing to do, which is show you my ad account. Okay, so this is one of the many stores that I have. This is gonna be very basic. I just wanna show you guys a quick week of my Google ads to see. I didn't really spend that much money, but I was still able to generate clicks. I was able to generate impressions, which are people seeing my ad at a cost per click at $2.31. Now, the main thing that I want to show you guys is if I go to campaigns over here, you guys can see that I'm running a campaign to this brand. This brand is called Mon Alpi, and you guys can pretty much see I spent $126 on the medium, $93 on the low, out of a search campaign, and then also high. Now, what these low, medium, high campaigns are is in respect to the funnel. So if I go on Google right now, and I search the word tofu mofu tofu, you guys can see that there is something in marketing known as top of funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. Why this is so important is because this is low, this is medium, and this is high. So when I go into my ad account and I'm seeing this, I'm looking at my low, I'm looking at my medium, and I'm looking at my high. I'm looking at how much money I spent, and more importantly, I'm looking at the search terms. I'm going to search terms over here. You guys can see these search words that I appear for. Okay, so if someone searches for Mont Alpi outdoor kitchen, and I show up with a Mont Alpi outdoor kitchen, well then now I have the highest. Chance of success. If someone searches for a product and you show up with the product, you're going to get the sale. If someone searches for a MAI 805, this exact SKU, and that's what makes it a low campaign, because at the bottom of the funnel, these are the people that are in the decision stage. There's not as many people, but they are highly qualified, high quality, ready to buy. So if I appear for the product with these people that are ready to buy, and I click on my Google ad, for when someone searches for this, right now we're on vacation, so we're not able to see the actual listings. But if someone searches for this model and I appear with this model to my website, I now have the highest chance for a click. And what I love about Google ads is I don't pay until I get a click. So unless someone clicks on my ad, you could see my ad was shown to 83 people. 2 people clicked on it. I paid $12 for a click. Can you believe this, guys? Would you pay $12? I would. One profit margin, one sale profit could be maybe $2,000, $3,000 profit. So I would pay $12 for a click, but this is why you have to know how to run the ads, okay? Sometimes you might find one of these winners, these bad boys, that you're just paying $2 for a click. Okay, $2 or maybe $9, that's the key, okay? Because if you're able to appear for a highly purchase intent word with as little money as possible, you get the clicks, you'll get the conversion more importantly, and you'll make the money. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure to follow us at PeakFlow Media. You can follow me, Marcus Lam Official. You can follow my partner, Trevor, Zheng.
Eat time with Trevor.
But he's eating right now because we're actually on vacation. But I just want to show you guys the behind the scenes of a high ticket dropshipper on vacation. Thank you so much for your time. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.